Are we recording? Yes, I think we are. And we are having playtime. Playtime with Buddy and Shiloh. Shiloh became especially frisky, and Buddy became especially interested in Shiloh, as did Jasper, after Shiloh's bath this morning. So she's already been dried, but she wants to be more dry. Sorry about that shot of the kneecap there. Jasper's trying to help her get dry. It's the cutest thing. Can you see Kelsey? Hey, buddy. Shiloh has no fear. No fear whatsoever. And Jasper wants to be smack dab in the middle of it all. Nice shot of your behind there, Jasper. Come on, let's show Kelsey. Let's show Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. Oh, Buddy wants to play. Buddy wants to play. Jasper's trying to play. And Jasper telling Buddy to leave Shiloh alone. Oh my goodness. Jasper, you're a good girl. Shiloh, say hi, Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. Say woof. Woof. Hi, Kelsey. There's Jasper's nose, Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. I love you.